If your Chevy Traverse is cranking strong but just won't fire up, we're going to find out why in the next 2 minutes. Statistics show that over 70% of crank but no start issues on this platform are related to fuel delivery or ignition timing. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to narrow down the culprit before you start buying expensive parts. Start by scanning for codes and verifying you actually have gas in the tank, as fuel level sensors are a known failure point. A common fail point is the fuel pump relay. Try swapping it with the horn relay to see if the engine fires. On these direct injection engines, the high-pressure fuel pump is a frequent offender if the car stalls or won't restart. You need to distinguish between a simple sensor swap and a major mechanical failure like a stretched timing chain. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to a multi-thousand-dollar timing chain job if the guides have failed. Use starting fluid to confirm if the issue is fuel-related. If it pops to life for a second, your spark is fine. Having a basic code reader and a multimeter will save you hundreds in diagnostic fees at the dealership. Remember, catching a rattling timing chain early can prevent a total engine teardown later on. Check those relays first and stay safe under the hood. Subscribe for more Traverse troubleshooting guides.